Lion. The lion is big and strong. Tiger. Can a tiger swim? Yes, it can. Leopard. The leopard has spots on its body. Camel. Camels live in the desert. Cheetah. This cheetah runs very fast. Wolf. Wolves hunt together in a pack. Jaguar. The jaguar likes to climb trees. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Cougar. Don't go near a cougar. It is dangerous. Hyena. Hyenas laugh, but they are not happy. Lynx. The lynx has short tail and long ears. Fox. The fox is very clever. Panda. Pandas eat bamboo every day. Bobcat. A bobcat lives in the forest. Badger. Badgers dig holes in the ground. Caracal. Look at the caracal's long black ears. Elephant. An elephant has a long trunk. Serval. The serval can jump high to catch birds. Llama. Llamas are friendly and calm. Wildcat. The wildcat hunts at night. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros has 1 or 2 horns. Jackal. Jackals eat small animals and fruits. Coyote. I see a coyote in the distance. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox is white in winter. Fennec fox. Fennec foxes have very big ears. Dole. Doles communicate with whistling sounds. Brown bear. The brown bear likes to eat fish. African wild dog. African wild dogs are very social. Polar bear. Polar bears live on ice and snow. Black bear. Can a black bear climb a tree? Yes. Sloth bear. Sloth bears eat ants and termites. Sun bear. The sun bear has a yellow mark on its chest. Wolverine. A wolverine is small but very strong. Honey badger. The honey badger is not afraid of anything. Weasel. Weasels have long, thin bodies. Ferret. People sometimes keep ferrets as pets. Marten. The marten sleeps in trees during the day. Otter. Otters love to play in the water. Mongoose. A mongoose can fight a snake. Meerkat. Meerkats stand on two legs to look around. Raccoon. Raccoons wash their food before eating. Skunk. A skunk sprays a bad smell to protect itself. African elephant. The African elephant is larger than the Asian elephant. Asian elephant. Asian elephants have smaller ears. Hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of the day in water. Wild boar. Wild boars have sharp tusks. Warthog. The warthog runs with its tail up. Peccary. Peccaries look like pigs, but they are different. Wild horse. Wild horses live in open grasslands. Wild ass. The wild ass can run very fast in the desert.
Thank you for watching.